Hello everyone, this is step-by-step guide on how to remove Discord bot role integration. So, for example, if you kick some bot, right, like for example Rhythm here, it say this role is managed by an integration Rhythm. It cannot be manually assigned to members. You can remove the integration to remove this role. So if you change this role name, for example, to whatever, you can change it, right? And you can still use the role permission. But when you want to apply it to someone, it doesn't exist because that role is specifically used for the bots. Now, how to fix this? We open the integration tab on the server setting. So first of all, you go click on this server settings and integration, and you're gonna look for the bot role that's integrated to the role. You click manage and then you click remove integration. But of course I'm still using that bot, and this is just for example. If you kinda stuck with Discord role bot bug when you kicked some bot role still exists and you still want to use that slot for your purpose. This concludes the tutorial. If you have any question, you can check my Discord group on the description. See you soon.